how to use smart downloads on Netflix. Firstly, let's understand what is smart downloads. Smart downloads is a Netflix feature that deletes an episode you have finished and downloads the next one in the series. So this way your device always has the latest episode ready without filling up storage. So this feature only works for TV series. Let me tell you how it works. You download an episode of a series. After you watch it, Netflix automatically deletes the episode you finished. Netflix then downloads the next episode in the series so it's ready for you to watch. There's also another feature called Downloads for You. Now this one works for both movies and TV shows. Let me tell you how it works. So Netflix looks at your watch history and preferences. Now based on your preferences and taste, it will download a selection of shows and movies that it thinks you will like. This way you will always have a new content ready to watch without even searching for it. Some points that you'll need to note is that it's not available on Netflix ad-supported plan. It requires enough storage and usually works over Wi-Fi to save data. So that's all for today. Thank you.